Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I made my shaker bows. And my previous video, I had a few requests. People want to see how I do them. I had a lot of comments on Instagram asking me if my bows fell apart because I used plastic with glue, and they haven't. I was like, oh my God, are they going to fall apart? But they haven't. So I guess this glue works. So I'm going to show you how I made it. So stay tuned. Okay, so we obviously need your shaker bows. I'm going to use the big one just so it's easier on camera. I'm using this glue, and this is from Dollar Tree, and it's the foam and poster board adhesive. And so far, this is what I've used, and none of my bows have come apart. And I'm using the foam board from Dollar Tree. It's the real big one. I just cut it into like 6-inch squares. Because at first I would leave the whole sheet like in my room, and one day I went and the whole thing was bent. It was a mess. So now what I do is when I buy the sheet, I cut them all into little squares, and it's just easier for me to work with. So this is what it is. So we're gonna use one, and okay. So what I do is just take out my machine. You know what? Let me put this a little higher so I don't end up hitting it. I probably will anyway. All right, let me just move this over a little bit. All right, should be fine. Okay, so I take the foam board from Dollar Tree, I put it there, and I take the piece that's gonna cut out the shaker part, which is the one that has the 2 cut lines. So I put that one there. The same thing with this one. Cut it there. Put my plate and row. It's a little tight, but trust me, it works. That poster board has like a little foam, so once you start like rolling it through, it squishes it, and it works fine. Okay. So you see, when you take it out, just pop it out. And it looks like that. So this is your shaker part. And at first I was throwing these away, and I'm like, oh, hello, that's a bowl right there. So with the extra piece that you get from the foam, don't throw it out, because look, I made these with those. And they're just really cute, and it's just foam bowls. So definitely don't throw these pieces out, because right there, add your paper and you got a bow. Okay, so now you have your shaker part. I'm gonna cut everything. Now I'm gonna cut the bow. So let me get paper, hold on. Okay, so now we wanna cut the actual bow out. And the part that goes on top. I'm gonna have to do that in separate paper. So let's cut that out. Oops. Oh boy, what a mess. I keep saying I'm gonna buy a taller, a higher camera thing to hold my phone. Okay, so these are the bows that we're gonna use. Put that on the side. Now we need the top piece right here. So you have to cut your bow again using the other side, the other bow. So let me get another paper. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the top layer. Hopefully I don't hit my freaking phone again. Okay. So do all your cutting. All right, so this piece is the piece that's gonna lay on top. Okay, so we got that now. This could be another bow. So right now we're just doing all the cutting. Now we need to cut the acetate. So, and for the acetate, you need this one right here that only has one cut line. So we're gonna cut that. Okay, this one you can't even see because this thing is so damn clear. So I'm just cutting a piece of my acetate. The only complaint I have is for the acetate because the die will not cut through it completely. So you still have to trim it with your scissors. So let's cut that. And usually I go front and back with the acetate. Okay. And you see what I mean? It's still there. So I'm going to have to fuzzy cut all around that. So let me do that and I'll be back. Just so you guys see, you see, hold on. You see where it has the little like stitching and then the line? I cut a little past the stitching. So this is the stitching right here. I cut a little over it. See? So let me keep cutting. Okay, I'm back. So now we have all of our pieces cut. Now we want to assemble the bow. So you take your decorative piece, the foam piece, and we're gonna add glue to the foam piece and add it to the bow. Okay. Again, I'm using that Dollar Tree glue. And I'm just adding glue all around the foam. And let's see right there. I'm surprised how good this glue is. Okay. Now you add it to your bow. And you see how it gives it that little height so you can put your sequins. And you know, it's funny. Everybody that knows me knows I could never figure out the whole shaker business. I actually sucked at making shakers. But once you figure it out, I was like, oh my God, that was it. That shit's so easy. Okay, so now we're going to do the next one. Again, glue to your foam. Dun, dun. Oh, hopefully I was in frame. Right here. Okay. Add it to your bow. And this one, you have to make sure it's the right little wavy part. So we got that done. Isn't it cute? Okay, so now comes the fun part. A lot of people add, I guess, their glue first, the sequins after, or you could do it however you want. I lay it flat. I take the sequins and I'm just gonna start adding sequins to the bow. The one in the bottom, I don't add too much because if you can see, you really can't see it. So you're kind of wasting sequins. So I just put a little bit in the bottom. Not too much because you're not gonna see it, you hardly see it anyway. Now here, I glue the edge and I am blind as a bat. So hopefully my head is not in the damn way. I have to bend down to see. So I add glue to all the edge of the foam. And again, I've been using this glue. I started using it yesterday. I did all my shakers with it. As of today, nothing has fallen apart. So yeah, I say it's definitely a good one. Add it here. Okay, now that it has all the glue, you add your clear piece on top. So that's going to seal the shaking pieces in the inside. See? Now what you want to do, got glue everywhere, is take this piece and we're going to put it on top. Same thing. I just used the same glue. Add glue. Oh my gosh, 10 minutes already. Add glue all around. And I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to edit, so I can't put this on fast forward. So you can fast forward this part if you like. But I'm just kind of showing you in real time that it's actually pretty easy once you know what the hell you're doing. And that was me at first. Okay, take it, add it to the top of your bow. Squish it a little bit. Look, we got the first one done. So this is the tail piece. Leave it there so it can dry. If you want to put something on top, you can. I usually just squish it. This glue actually dries pretty fast. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. Take your shaker bits, add them to your bow. And this one here, because it's the top one, you can add a lot to, because this is the one you're going to see. So I'm adding, and since these are tiny, I'm adding a lot. Of course, making a mess. I need to stop looking at my phone. You guys know I hate long videos. Okay, let me add, you know what? Let me add a little pink, just for a little something, something. Okay, good enough, good enough. You can kind of go over, shake it so everything's nice and flat. Same thing, take your glue and start putting glue all around your foam. All around your foam. This part is almost like I don't even breathe. I don't want all these shaker bits flying all over the place. And usually I'm all in it, but I'm doing it a little far. Okay. Now you take your clear piece, put it right on top. So we're covering all those shaker pieces inside. Look. Okay, so now, God, look at this. Glue everywhere. Oh my God, 13 minutes already. Come on, speed it up, Wanda. Okay, take this piece right here. Add glue to this piece. And once you add this piece, you are done. Come on, glue. And then you decorate your bow on top. Come on. And did I put it here? Yeah. Add your bow. Squish it down. Usually I'll just add glue here. See, I'm still using the same glue. Okay. Add the piece on top. And you are done. All you got to do is put your centerpiece. And look, so easy. Add your centerpiece, add your pom-pom, whatever you want to add. Again, save these pieces. Where is it? Boom. Glue that. Glue this, and you got yourself another bow. So don't throw away those foam pieces. And that's it. You got yourself a bow. And, oh my God, 14 minutes. If you guys have stayed all the way and watched the ending of this video, I'm going to do a little silent giveaway. So in the comments below, just say, OMG, I love the bows. And I know that you watched the entire video. And I will send you a big one and a little one. Just something small. I'm just going to put it with a stamp in the mail. And that's it. So I hope you guys like the tutorial. Again, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.